Hayi bafethu sisenkingeni lana. Nakho-ke la icourt isivele yathi labelungu laba bahamba i-citizen yabo iyathathwa bengabuya bezothatha i-citizenship yabo. Nabafuna ukuhamba ngoba de ba-offerisha nje uTrump i-citizenship. Shuthi sebe-right bazoshaya nge-dual citizenship. Anicabangeni i-DA lamavote ewatholayo bafethu i-reality one. Ave iwathola ama-international votes i-DA. Just think about abelungu abahamba ngo-1990 to 96, 97. Bahamba bayaphesheya nama-extended families wabo and everything. And niyabazi abelungu when it comes to voting ukuthi bakhuthele kanjani. Ikutshena ukuthini lento lena? Ikutshena ukuthi it is ukuthi abelungu bazosiphatha nge-remote. Bazosiphatha bengekho la eSouth Africa. Lento kayisadingi ukuthi uyibuke ngokuthi we-IFP, we-ANC, we-EFF uyini. But this one, dual citizenship, we have to fight it as black parties in parliament. If it means ukuthi kufanele sishintshe i-constitution ngoba lama judge has control. Singagcini ke lapha ngale judgment e-constitutional court. Again futhi nathi Gauteng High Court ikhipha i-judgment again namhlanje. Ithi uRamaphosa akakhombisa ukuthi NHI wasebenzisa amaphi ama-document ukuze isayini. Yebafethu i-process ye-NHI kade yaqala. I-process ye-NHI i-head committee deala nayo, iparlamente laze layiphasisa i-process endala. Even from uZuma president le process ye-NHI and it is implementwa in stages. Kuyeke ukuthi asibathemba bazo implement, but i-issue ye-NHI is very progressive. What need to be done about i-judiciary? Ngoba phela iya-dictator manje. Abantu esiba-electile thina, they cannot take ama-decisions on their own. Because there are 11 people abahleli lapha e-constitutional court which must take ama-decisions on our behalf. Esingaba-electanga. Bafethu ngicela wonke ama-political parties avuke emaqandeni. I-judiciary yasiqhela. 2029 sekucacile. I-DA might be a biggest part. Cabanga phela baphethe Home Affairs ke wesiphatha. Labantu bazofika, they will register their extended family abahamba nawo bazali. They will even register ama-illegal foreigners claiming to be their extended families because bona baphucwa citizenship. What will happen 2029? I-DA might be a biggest part. Iplane yabo ihamba ngolayini bafowethu. Vukani ayivalwe lento le ye-dual citizenship. Otherwise, izwe liyakubantu abamhlophe 2029 and balithatha ngesiphinde sikuthole. We must protect the little freedom we have, which is political freedom, while we are still fighting for economic freedom. This one, it's a must, comrade. Asikwazi ukuyiyeka bafethu. I-judiciary iya-dictator.